Greetings. Today, I want to first take time out to give gratitude to all those who have been supporting me throughout the years. It really has been a pleasure having you beautiful souls supporting this work and moreover the message of self-realization. And so because of your support, it helps to give more meaning to this work, and it shows that there are others just like myself who are willing to question everything and be attached to nothing. And so this is my way of saying thank you for all of your support, for everything that you have done. I am so much appreciative of you wonderful people. And as we move into 2023, I want you to think about good health and success, prosperity, and to be the best version of yourself. I want to encourage you never to give up. I want to encourage you to be consistent. I want to encourage you to continue to love yourself, believe in yourself, and embrace in yourself. And always look to the God that is within you. That creative, imaginative power that is within you, that we refer to as life. That very life that is within you is your true essence. Is your God self. So I want to continue to encourage you to seek the kingdom of God that is within you. And then all these other things in this world that you so desire, they will be added on to you. And that is what brings me to my latest book, which is called Spiritual Recipe for Better Living. And I just want to update you and let you know that I have uploaded that book and it is now available on Amazon. So you can go ahead and purchase that book, and you can give a gift to a friend, a family member, whoever you choose to, or whatever you choose to do is up to you. But I'm saying to you, this book is a very, very, very informative book. It is very much eye-opening, and you will scratch your head, and many times you will say, no, the Bible really makes sense to me, especially when you go into those Old Testament scriptures and I unfold them and show you what they are about. You would be quite amazed. And so it's great tool with a lot of gem that is available to you in this book. Okay, it's definitely a recipe book, but you see, it's a recipe that is giving you the real food for your soul. So if you need soul food to grow and to expand in life, in terms of understanding the Bible more metaphysically and esoterically, and understanding how to interpret the Bible psychologically, and how to use that revelation or interpretation to better yourself, then I'll definitely encourage you to get that book. Okay, so my brother and my sisters, be a good cook in terms of bringing all of the right ingredients together and prepare the right meal so you can have a feast. In other words, have the right kind of thinking in your mind, cultivate the right kind of habits, build self-discipline, self-mastery, have the right attitude in life towards yourself and others, and always walk according to the golden rule of life. Do unto others as you will have them do unto you, and you become a more satisfied individual, a more accomplished individual. So just as there are many different chefs all around the world, and they're putting certain ingredients together and coming up with a certain menu, and providing a sumptuous meal for people to eat and be satisfied, so too I'm offering you this spiritual meal so you can eat or partake of it and be contented and be challenged within yourself to do more with your life. So my brother, my sisters, I just really want to encourage you to really support this work and to get that book and to share it with many other people. Okay, give someone a New Year gift this season and let it be spiritual recipe for better living, because truly you will start to experience a better life when you really read and understand that book and put it to work in your life. For there is power in applied knowledge. I spend the time to give you that knowledge by putting it together in a book, and now I'm encouraging you to apply that knowledge, and then you will see the power that is in you, how much it's been neglected, but now it's been activated because you're willing to exercise your mind and you're willing to invest in yourself. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me, and I want to say to you, if what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you, and if it's strongly to get that book, I'm going to encourage you to go right now and order that book. Do not delay, do not procrastinate. Make it a part of your great library of knowledge that you can definitely use to create your reality consciously. Okay, the link should be down below. I'll definitely encourage you to check out the link below. Okay, also I want to say, if this is the very first time that you listen to me and what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you, and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram or on TikTok, you can follow me at BlackMadGuru. Also, you can follow me on rumble.com at BlackMadGuru. But before I leave you, I just want to remind you that if you would like to have a one-on-one with me, you can reach out to me by way of email. I'll share with you the terms and the conditions. And once those terms and conditions fit you and you're willing to invest in yourself, you can definitely have a great time together and go deeper down the rabbit hole. Also, I have a Patreon community, and if you like to be a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. And the entire day that is for each and every one, according as you can afford. But for people who are donating $20 or more, I have a course called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously, and you have access to that course along with a bonus course and self-concept. So if you feel strongly led to donate $20 or more, then you have access to all of that information. So follow your intuition. Just before I leave you, I just want to remind you also that we have a PayPal, and if you feel strongly to support this work, that you can always check out the link below. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I just want to say peace, love you all, and out.